Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FAIZ IZZUDDIN bin MOHD ZAMRI. My metric number is S59375. Today, I am going to present on the financial statement of Hon Leong Industry Berhad. First, the company background. Hon Leong Industry Berhad HLI is a public listed company and its shares are traded on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. HLI is principally an investment holding company whilst the principal activities engaged by its subsidiaries are primarily in the consumer products segment involving in the manufacturing, assembling, and distribution of motorcycles, scooters, and related parts and products, and manufacturing and sale of ceramic tiles. Other business include manufacturing and sale of fiber cement products, and distribution and trading of marine-related products. Next, the accounting policy and standards. We are going to see the revenue recognition applied by the company. The financial statement of the group and of the company have been prepared on the historical cost basis, other than as those disclosed to the financial statements. The financial statements of the group and of the company have been prepared in accordance with Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards (MFRS), International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS), and the requirements of the Companies Act 2016 in Malaysia. Estimates and underlying assumptions are reviewed on an ongoing basis. Revisions to accounting estimates are recognized in the period in which the estimates are revised and in any future periods affected. There are no significant areas of estimation, uncertainty, and critical judgment in applying accounting policies that have significant effect on the amounts recognized in the financial statement other than as disclosed in the following notes. The third one is the company revenue. We're going to see types and classification of revenues, and recognition and measurement of revenues. Types and classification of revenues. The first one is motorcycle. Hon Leong Yamaha Motor Sdn Bhd commenced its operation in 1978 with the signing of a franchise agreement between HLI and Yamaha Motor Corporation to venture into manufacture, assembly and marketing of Yamaha motorcycles in Malaysia. Second one is ceramic tiles. Bursara Holdings Sdn Bhd is the holding company for the tiles business of HLI. The last one is fiber cement board. Fiber cement board are distributed and sold under the brand name Prima Board. The products are distributed to both local and overseas markets via retail as well as projects. The recognition and measurement of value. The revenue is measured based on the consideration specified in a contract with the customers in exchange for transferring goods or services to a customer, excluding amounts collected on behalf of third parties. The group or the company recognizes revenue when it transfers control over a product or service to customer. An asset is transferred when the customer obtains control of the asset. Next, we are going to discuss about the effect that COVID-19 pandemic has imposed on the main revenue for this company. The main revenue for the company, Hon Leong Industry Berhad, is a public company listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. HLI is principally engaged in the consumer product segment, which comprise manufacturing, assembling, and distribution of motorcycles, scooters, and related parts and products, and manufacturing and sale of ceramic tiles. HLI is also involved in other business including manufacturing and sale of fiber cement products, and distribution, trading, and provision of services in marine-related products. The coronavirus pandemic and consequent movement control measures imposed by the Malaysian government from March 2020 have adversely affected the group's operation for financial year 2020. In view of the uncertain market conditions caused by the pandemic, the group has taken steps to streamline and rationalize some of its operations, including closing down some of the non-core and non-profitable operations. For financial 2020, the group recorded lower revenue of 2,330 million as compared with 2,528 million for the previous financial year ended 30 June 2019. Profit before tax for financial 2020 was also lower at 323 million as compared with 498 million for financial 2019. The lower PBT was due to the lower sales recorded across all product segments which were impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic and the MCO, coupled with lower profit contribution from associated companies in financial year 2020. The last one is my opinion on accounting for revenue for the company, which has been made in accordance with relevant standards. The accounting policies set out in this company have been applied consistently to the periods presented in these financial statements, unless otherwise stated. The financial statement of the group and of the company have been prepared in accordance with Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards (MFRS), International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS), and the requirements of the Companies Act 2016 in Malaysia. The initial application of the accounting standards, interpretation and amendments are not expected to have any material financial impact to the current period and prior period financial statement of the group and the company.